have trackers on all my bikes, and I'm not going to discuss the type of tracker for security reasons, but it's top of the range, installed by professionals, it's a hefty yearly subscription, and the standard features of if the bike is moved, it sends you a warning, if it is stolen, it will track it and they will get the police involved, and so on and so forth. And one of the features is that you can designate friends and family to receive an email and a text message if the bike is down. While riding up the A11, I could feel my phone vibrate, and it just kept on vibrating. In other words, I'm receiving lots of phone calls and lots of messages. And Mrs. RJ knows that I'm on the bike. She wouldn't call me unless it's urgent. Same thing goes for the office. It reached a point where I was really worried, so I had to stop and see what's up. When I checked my phone, there were tons of messages from Mrs. RJ and missed calls, and one message from the tracker company. And this is the exact email, actually. Let's go back to where I was riding before, and I will show you the position on Google Maps, and then I will show you the exact time that I was riding in that area, and it's obvious that the bike wasn't down. So the same technology that is supposed to relieve our stress and make our lives easier has in this instance actually caused a lot of stress, especially to Mrs. RJ, because she actually said if she hadn't heard from me in another couple of minutes, she was going to call the police and give them the coordinates to come and check on me. I'm not sure what happened in this instance, but I called and let the tracker company know, and they're investigating.